just the other thing is that I tried to inform my mom, my family actually, about the procedure that I've had, and as expected, or actually it was even more expected that how she reacted. It was all over the place, right? It was just, I tried to take a video of it, but I mean to screen record it on my phone whilst we're having video call. But yeah, like my mom just opted not to speak with me for a couple of minutes in there, which really got me worried because I don't want her thinking of loads of things. But yeah, right. She's still not talking to me.
So yun na nga guys, diba? Siyempre may resibo tayo dyan. Makita nyo naman, tinawagan ko sila. And then prior pa nun, nakita nyo naman yung movement ng bibig ni Mama. Right? Hindi na magandang pangitan. Right? Tapos nung nakita pa niya ako, mas nag-escalate pa yun. Right? And straight away, binigay lang niya yung phone sa kapatid ko. Yun na, rejected agad ako. Right? Rejected in a way na hindi naman kabastos-bastos because what my mother felt at that time is that it's valid, diba? Kasi as a mom, sa part naman niya, hindi naman niya ma-attempt na makita yung mukha ko na ganito, di ba? Magang-maga and all na parang may sakit nga daw. Right? So just a quick story lang, what happened then is that, yun nga, straight away binigyan niya yung phone sa kapatid ko, tapos nagkulong daw siya sa kwarto. Alright? And nag-iiyak-iyak siya. Alright? And yeah, sabi ko sa inyo, di ba, bakit ako dramatic? Kasi may pinagmanahan ako. But anyway, kidding aside is, ramdam ko lang naman talaga yung love nila towards me and all. Pero siguro, biggest lesson dito, wag na magsinungaling kasi malalaman din naman nila. It lang guys, right? Just for this video.
I'm just okay with the fact that at least she's a bit more calm, you know. Like last time, like an hour, 2 hours that I've spoken to them a while ago. So yeah. Or anyway, so hopefully it will all be worth it for for what I did to my face and to my hair and whatnot. So yeah, I'll just update you then. Just be with me along the process, okay, along the journey. Thank you. And we're back on our regular programming, right? Enough of them commercials na muna. Pero mag-alala, marami tayo niyan in the future. Okay, abang-abang lang kayo. Right, so obviously here is my first wash after the procedure. Right? Bumalik kami niyan kinaumagahan. Right? I think that was around 10ish or 11ish, right? And makikita niyo dito yung consistency talaga ng team na kasama ko sa ST Grande kasi andyan pa din yung doctor na gumawa for him to personally check kung paano yung improvement. Andyan yung agent ko, Sir Robert, right, to deal with the translation and everything, and them lovely staff para tulungan ako sa wash. So sobrang appreciate ko, consistent talaga sila at its finest, guys. So the other thing about it is that, yeah, tinuruan kung paano i-wash yung sa donor area, sa ulo, and as you can see here, yung sa eyebrow din. Right? Almost ano na naman siya, the same din kung paano siya gawin, right? Paano siya sabunin, paano siya banlawan, right? After yung sa eyebrow lang, it just needs a bit more of attention since malapit siya sa eyes, right? And yeah, I could show you some videos on the next episode on how did we do the washing and then the, banlaw session din. So, very uncomfy lang talaga to guys, just so you know. Right, makita niyo naman, di ba? Hindi na naman ako nag-smile kasi sobrang masakit pa din siya at maga at some point. So yun na nga, after our hospital appointment, which only took us like 30-40 minutes, we're taken back to our hotel, the one that we're currently staying at, which is the Grand Mira Hotel. Wala kaming masabi guys, sobrang ganda ng hotel, right? Yung services at saka yung mga staff, ang polite. So yeah, just 5-star rating for all of them, right? The only sad part in here is that I really felt bad for Pabi kasi as much as we wanted to, right? Hindi namin kayang lumabas din
Kasi bawal munang maarawan yung ulo ko kasi bawal siyang pagpawisan in the first place. Secondly is that bawal muna siya magka-trauma din kasi if that would be the case, may possibility na ma-reject yung mga, grafted na transplanted hair. Right? And then lastly, nakikita nyo lang na chill-chill ako dyan pero nag-start na mag-wear off kasi yung pampanam. So, masakit na siya guys. Tinitiis ko lang talaga. Kasi ginusto ko to, di ba? Happy kayo. Right? And yeah, just going back is that I'm just so thankful lang talaga kay Pabi. Kasi wala, nag-stay lang din talaga siya with me. All we did then is just lumamon lang kami, nag-order in, and then nanood lang, right? Talagang tinake lang namin siya as if we're just like, it's just like a staycation for the both of us. Like chill-chill lang, nood-nood, diba? Tapos kwento-kwento, which was really, like not bad, right? Para sa experience namin na yun, right? Kain lang. Tapos guys, before we know it, pabalik na kami ng airport, obviously para makabalik na ng UK. And at this point, nag-start ng maramdaman ko yung at the back of my eyes na parang mag-start na siya mamaga. May sarili na siyang pulse. Right? It's really scary at this point pero ginusto ko to, di ba? Pagdating naman sa airport, wala, di ba? Lakad ka lang as if you're a model, right? Own it kasi you paid for it, right? We even managed to take a selfie during our flight then. Right? And we're back in the UK! Yay! Lakad lang, di ba? Parang supermodel, gano'n, di ba? Pero mukha na talagang alien. Anyway, can't wait to edit all of them videos, guys, for you to see in the next episode. See ya!